Hello friends, today in this video we are going to learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First, winter. The river freezes in winter. The river freezes in winter. Second, cook. I cook dinner for my family. I cook dinner for my family. Number 3. Read. He reads newspapers daily. Number 4. Early. The coffee shop opens early. The coffee shop opens early. Fifth, smile. He cooks dinner with a smile. He cooks dinner with a smile. Number 6. Start. The movie starts at 7 p.m. The movie starts at 7 p.m. 7. Stopped. The rain stopped suddenly. The rain stopped suddenly. 8. Arrived. The bus arrives in 10 minutes. The bus arrives in 10 minutes. Number 9. Like. I like to play outside. I like to play outside. Number 10. Go. Let's go to the playground. Let's go to the playground. 11. Favorite. My favorite color is red. My favorite color is red. 12. Stop. Stop talking in the classroom. Stop talking in the classroom. 13. Noise. Don't make a noise. Don't make a noise. 14. Clean. Students clean the school ground. Students clean the school ground. 15. Play. The girls play hockey. The girls play hockey. Thanks for watching.